Financial freedom, first and foremost, is about your friends. Who are your friends? And are you the kind of friend that you want to connect with? Are you fun and adventurous and playful and lighthearted? And are you generous? And are you very giving of your time and your attention and your good nature and your wisdom? I have to be honest with you, the most important priority in feeling safe and secure financially is actually about your friendships. It's where you need to devote your time. And they have to be genuine and sincere. It can't be friendships that we would call friendships that are actually with other people for whom we're hoping to get something out of them for our own benefit. This is not just about approaching people for mutual benefit. This is about having relationships where you expect nothing of another person and you have no expectations of them. That's actually the core of a delicious, nurturing, fulfilling, rewarding friendship.